This video looks at adding and subtracting directed numbers, and what I mean by that are positive and negative numbers. Now, the thing to remember is when adding and subtracting integers, you may need to simplify the expression first. And actually, it's not just integers, it's any numbers. Okay, so you may need to simplify the expression first. If there are two symbols together, and that what I mean by that is in the middle of the two terms, not separated by a term, they are replaced with a single symbol according to the following. If we have two plus signs, then it's a plus. If we have two negative signs, it's a plus. So two of the same signs, you get a plus. Two different signs, you get a minus. So plus, minus, minus, plus. You'll change it with a minus. So we'll do some examples to show what I mean by that. So the first one here, 5 plus negative 3. Now the brackets don't really mean anything. It's just highlighting the fact that it's a negative number. So you can see here that I have a plus and a minus. So they're different signs. So that's going to be replaced with a minus. So it's 5 take 3 is 2. Next, negative 2 take negative 6. So again, there are two negatives in the middle here. That's what I mean by they have to be in the middle. So two negatives make a positive. Two of the same signs are positive. So I have negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Now, if you're wondering how to do these, if I look at the number line down here, you don't want to keep using the number line, but just to see, I'm starting at negative 2 and I'm adding 6. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at 4. Continuing, negative 10 take negative 5. So I'm not using brackets here. So this is how you'll often see the negative as a superscript. So I have in the middle a minus minus. So two of the same signs will be a plus. So that's negative 10 plus 5 gives you negative 5. Again, negative 10 is bigger than 5. So you're still going to end up with a negative answer. And you can use the number line if you wish, just to visualize it. Next, 10 plus minus 6. So now I have different signs. So that will be replaced with a minus. So 10 take 6 is 4. Now you should always write that change. So how I've highlighted and put above it, minus. If you don't do that, then you should show the step as 10 minus 6. Okay, you have to show in some way how you've changed that. So the next one, negative 10 take negative 5. So I've got two negatives become a positive. So now I have negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Next, negative 2 take negative 8. So I've got two negatives will become a positive. Negative 2 plus 8 is 6. Now I'm moving into three terms. I have two lots of double signs. Minus minus is a plus. Plus minus is a minus. So I've got negative 4 plus 8. So negative 4 plus 8 is 4. Take 1. 4 take 1 is 3. Sometimes it helps when you've got more than one turn to write that interim step. Next, this minus minus becomes a plus, and this plus minus becomes a minus. So I've got 4 plus 7 is 11. Take 5, which is 6. Moving along, I'm going to change the double signs first, or that's just a normal one. So two minuses, plus minus is minus, and then it's a minus on its own. So I've got 9 plus 6 is 15, minus 2 minus 7. 15 take 2 is 13, take 7 is 6. So the whole point here, I know you could just throw this on your calculator, but the reason why we're not is if when we get into algebra, you're not going to be able to put on your calculator. So you need to know how to do these by hand.